Hi everybody, welcome back to another video from Safe Educare. As you have been noticing, we have been doing some videos on the speaking session of students from Safe Educare. Today we have another student with us. He is Viraj and he is going to talk to you. So just observe how he has learned to speak and the way he is using his sentences and words to elaborate on his topic. So Viraj, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. So what have you been doing these days?
I'm just doing with my regular training, academic training, and taking tuitions as I'm doing in the normal days.
Normal days. So how do you how do you spend your time with your friends?
Actually, when all our friends got free from their schedules, so we make a plan to get together and we went to some outdoor place like a natural lakes and mountains or some cafes or restaurants.
So going out and eating out they come together, right? They form a part of each other, right? So whenever we go out, we eat out also.
Yeah, ma'am. When we plan a trip from the whole day trip, then we will come back after having a lunch or a dinner as per the time.
Okay. So sometimes even if we don't go out, we do eat outside, right? With the family and all that.
Yeah. We are actually having a time with the family on some occasions or the birthday or anniversaries or some festivals. So we are having time with the families of eating or having lunch or dinner at a restaurant.
Right. So we eat out. We just sometimes even go for a coffee or something like that, right?
Yeah.
So can you tell me about your favorite cafe or a restaurant?
Okay, ma'am. My favorite cafe, which I visited past a few months ago, that was an Adobe Cafe, which was located in the Kodaikanal area. It was my favorite cafe because the food of the cafe was very delicious and very outstanding. Along with that, the service of the cafe they are providing, that was very outstanding and very satisfactory to the customers. They were really looking very much for the customers, and even they are trying their best to make the standards of the cafe. Along with that, the sittings of the cafe, the outdoor sitting and the interior sitting, and the interiors of the cafe was outstanding. The fountains and the publics which were coming to the cafe, that was also good. Some live concerts are also had on that cafe. And on the IPL season, they were having a big screen so that people can able to watch a match and enjoy IPL while having their lunch or snacks, something like that. Along with that, they are providing some discounts or offer also to attract their customers, and they are avoiding they were having some prize distribution so that some game like that it was an housing game, so they are distributing tickets to the children, to the participants, so that they are coming regularly, so they become a regular customer of the cafe. So as I found, that was a cafe best for me to have a regular visit over there.
Interesting, very interesting. Why do you think all this eating outside makes me think sometimes? Have you thought why do we enjoy eating outside?
Ma'am, on the regular basis it was not good, but in a thrice or twice in a month that was good because it makes us fresh from our daily hectic schedules and from all the stresses. So I found that it was a stress booster so that we get refreshed and can able to back with the full enthusiasm to our work.
But you see the same food. Suppose your mother makes a dosa at home, okay? And the dosa that you eat in a restaurant, why does it taste different? Why does it feel different? Have you thought about it?
Yeah, I thought about it. The mom dosa was really very good, and some people will like the most of the hand cooking of their mother. But the restaurant food, they are paying for that, so that's why sometimes even they don't like the things, they have to pay for it because they are paid for it.
Okay, that's very interesting. That's very interesting. So you think because they pay for it, they tend to like it, or they are forced to like it sometimes?
They all pretend that their food was nice because they had paid for it, and if they can't able to enjoy it, then they were not going to visit that same restaurant again. But they have to show that the food was nice, because if they say to the other people that they didn't enjoy the food, then it will be a shameful for them to buy. If you don't like the food, then why visit the restaurant without taking a review of others?
Right. So these days, there are so many. Earlier there used to be only that, Udupi and kind of restaurants where the food was not very expensive. But these days we have come out with so many cafes and restaurants.
Yeah.
So do you think it is an expensive pastime?
Yeah, ma'am. Sometimes it is an expensive pastime because the youngsters are tempted from their interiors and from the show of life. They have to show their friends that yeah, see that I am going to this cafe. Look how much rich standard of life I am maintaining. So in that show of life, they are spending the things in the useless things, the same things which they get, which they can able to get in the some cheaper price. They are spending a lot in the same things which they get at a cheaper rate.
Okay, but don't you think it is also just not a place for eating, but in case of friends and youngsters, it is also a place for meeting different people of your same age group and holding discussions. Many good discussions came out of coffee houses.
Okay, for the discussions there was other place also, and there was some cheaper coffee house also. So for the discussion, if they want to get it together for the discussion purpose, then they can visit some cheaper coffee house. So visiting a hostel coffee house just for the discussion, that doesn't make any sense.
Okay, but does the environment of the coffee house play a role? You said in your earlier
Yeah, the
discussion.
environment plays a good role because sometimes environment make us to feel think more, because in some type of environment there was very noisy in some cheaper type of environment, but in the some costly type of environment rich and educated people are visiting, so they are maintaining a silence and showing some proper discipline. That's why sometimes environment plays a big role.
Okay, thank you Viraj for your views and sharing with us the cafe which you visited and liked so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, you're welcome. So you can see how he spoke. It was a very simple topic about his favorite cafe, but the sentences and words that he used and the way he constructed the whole speaking material was something from which we should learn. See, this can be done only through practice. Any language, the more you speak, the more you learn how to speak that language and what the words and different ways of constructing the sentences mean. So the best way to learn a language is to speak. Speak more, find somebody who knows the language and start speaking to him or her every day on a regular basis. This is the only way in which you can learn speaking. Don't bother about the mistakes. We all make mistakes when we start speaking. But the best thing is to start speaking and then gradually improve your vocabulary. This is the best way to learn a language and how to speak it. I hope you all have enjoyed this video with me and Viraj about favorite cafe of his. We encourage you to see more and more of our videos and understand how we are taking the speaking through. Thank you so much.